Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice, just me having fun looking at charts, like the charts behind me, which include Hycroft Mining, ticker symbol HYMC on the bottom, as well as AMC in the top left, and Biora Therapeutics, ticker symbol BIOR, in the top right. And so the reason why I have those two up there is because they previously had reverse splits that I thought we could compare Hycroft Mining to, getting ready for the reverse split, which is coming up on November 14th. And so, looking at the Hycroft chart, we can see that there's this parallel channel that the stock was trading in for a while. And then, right around the time that we heard about the possibility of there being a reverse split, it ended up breaking above that channel. And it seemed like, it was in the clear. There was one day where it ran up, I believe, over 34 cents. Let's see, what was the high on this day was almost 35 cents. But then shortly after, we heard about the news of the 1 to 10 reverse split, which happened on October 26th. So we can see that on that day, there was a drop in the price, and we are now trading back in this channel. Almost broke out of it yesterday, but we closed within the channel. And so that's something to be considering, that we are in this downward trending channel. But to compare with the other two stocks, I thought we'll go over AMC first, which on, let's see, this is, August, I believe, 11th is when, I think it was after hours, that there was the announcement of the merger of the APE units with AMC that would then also include a reverse split. And so that was announced on August 11th. The following trading day, which was a Monday, there was a big drop in the price. And then the lowest price that it went to was $7.05 on September 11th, which was following the 1 to 10 reverse split, which occurred on August 24th. And so these boxes that I have drawn up here are to show the change in, let's see if I can click on it, the change in price from the day before, the high, before the reverse split, to that all-time low of $7.05. And so that represents a drop of nearly 85%. So it's a pretty big drop. So while, one could think that buying the dip at these levels along the way is great, it's good to be patient and wait for the even greater discount, which occurred following the reverse split. And then following that low of 705, the price has gone up about 60%, hitting a high of $11.17 on October 12th. So that was an increase of almost 64%. I'm sure AMC will go a lot higher in the near future, but that's waiting for a month before the stock price to go up, and waiting, let's see, 20 days, a month, following the announcement of the reverse split for the price to bottom. So that's just something to consider. And then looking over at Bior, there was the announcement of a reverse split on December 30th, 2022. And then the following trading day, which was January 3rd, that's when a 1 to 25 reverse split occurred. And so you could see that the stock price did drop significantly. And so from the close of the day before the announcement to the all-time low at the time, I believe it was an all-time low at the time, of $1.95, you could see that the price dropped about 50%. Before, what you can see happened following a few days later is that it looked like there was a squeeze, and the price went up I gotta move this to be able to see, went up nearly 300%, about 300%. So that's a great move. A lot of money could have been made there. But I should also caution that while the low following this split was $1.95, that is not the all-time low or the lowest low since that split. The 52-week low over the past year was $1.76, and it's currently trading right around that low of $1.95. So that's something to consider thinking about Hycroft moving forward. But there was this violent move upwards, resulting in a 300% increase in price. And so the drops following the announcement of the reverse split to the lows following the reverse split range from, for AMC, about an 80% drop and a 50% drop for Biora. And so if we think about that regarding Hycroft, I can draw those same kind of boxes down here, but I'm actually going to have to adjust the scale a little bit. I don't know if you can see those gray lines that are there. Those are to be used as my guides. So if I draw a box from the, let's see, the close from the day before the reverse split was announced, if I draw it down about 50%, that would put the price of Hycroft at around 15 cents a share, or reverse split, that would be $1.50. If it goes down 80%, which I think is pretty extreme, that would put the price at 6 cents a share, or 60 cents a share post reverse split, which is kind of a problem because the goal of the reverse split was to keep the price above $1. And so where do I see it going? I'm not sure. I don't think it's going to go down to 6 cents a share, but I do think that it could go down below 20 cents a share. Reverse split, that would be below $2 a share. And so my thoughts are just based on this trend line that I have, this parallel channel. It seems feasible to me that it could touch the bottom of that trend line, the bottom of that channel, before moving upwards, which I suspect, like Biora, could be a violent move upwards. And so dropping, that would put the price dropping down 60% from below the reverse split announcement. And that would be at a price of, let's say, right around 12 cents a share. And so that intersection of the date of the reverse split and the bottom of this channel, that would fall on 12 cents a share. So do I think it's going to go that low? I think that's awfully close to $1 post split per share. So I hope it doesn't go that low, but I am prepared for drops or a drop following the reverse split. And I really look forward to picking up some shares at a great discount and hoping to take advantage of some violent upward movement after the reverse split, and also holding long term because I'm really excited about this company, having learned about it over the past couple of years thanks to AMC involvement in the company. So yeah, I think it's really exciting time, and I think that there's a great sale coming up for us. So I hope that if you're interested, I hope that you are patiently awaiting for that reverse split to happen to really take advantage of the great discounts that we'll be seeing. But yeah, on that note, if you enjoyed this content and you'd like to see more, make sure you like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and take care.